Hello guys and welcome here. If you always wanted to start programming, or you heard a lot about Python but never really tried it, or never tried to program in Python but always wanted to do so, you are definitely at the right place. The way I designed this course is very user-friendly, so I wanted to create a course that will be for people who are complete beginners, take them from a complete beginner to people who are able to design small and basic Python apps. So this course is really about practice. So the more we are gonna advance in the course, the more you guys will have practice, and you will be able to practice everything that you learn from step to step. You'll see it's not that hard. You'll understand all the concepts around Python, and you will have all the basic knowledge to start your programming journey. Also, this course is not a very long course. I didn't want to create a 30 hours course and talk, let's say, 2 or 3 hours about one concept. I'm really straight to the point. So you will see in this course, each concept is really straight to the point, and there is a lot of practice. So basically, you guys will like it. One last thing, my goal with this course is really to upgrade it from time to time. So right now the course is really about the basics, but I'm planning to add some exercises from month to month, so you guys will be able to practice everything around it. So if programming is something that you guys are interested about, definitely you'll like this course. And if you like this course, well, definitely you'll see it's something that is really, really cool. So I hope to see you guys on the other side at the beginning of this course.